New Milwaukee deals just dropped. Buy one, get one free. Hacks just dropped at the depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icons so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, we got some safety glasses, $14. A vest here for $11. So these are mostly clearancing out. Same thing with this mower blade, Milwaukee mower blade, 13 down from $24.98. Not a lot of people are buying these, so I guess, you know, they're gonna be clearancing those out. This one's down to $5.99 from $6.99. This is the DeWalt 21 self-propelled mower. So if you got the batteries, might as well invest in a mower, right? Use those batteries. All right, so $4.49 for the down from $5.49. This is just a push. You got the Toro 60 volt 22 inch self-propelled for $5.49. Was $7.29, so pretty good deal on this one. It is one of the better models. And then you got some gas here. It's a Briggs Stratton, $3.99 from $5.29. You got the Weed Eater here from Milwaukee. This is not the fuel, but still pretty good. Brushless trimmer. $176 down from $249. It is the kit. It does include a battery. You got another gas push mower, 21-inch bare bone mower. This one's $299 down from $369. It's about 70 bucks. Guys, and then we got the electric start pressure washer, 3400 PSI, $649. Does not say a clearance price, but it does have a yellow tag, so I don't know if they're going to be clearancing this out or no, or moving them out. $329 for the 3200 Ryobi gas pressure washer. These are both gas pressure washers. Honda style, Honda clone, however you want to call it. Alright, so you got the yellow extension cord, $39 down from $43.97, 25 footer. It's up there. And then we have another one for $28, was $30. It's a 12.3, 25 footer. It's pretty nice, actually, pretty heavy duty. However, I do like to get 50 or longer, 50 feet or longer. I think 25 is a little short. Alright, we got another clearance section here. This is mostly DeWalt's. You got a ratchet and you got an impact wrench with power stack combo for $239, was $299. That's a pretty good deal on that. XR hammer drill, $139, $179. These are, remember guys, these are clearance items. You got a pin nailer here for 23 gauge, $249. Always double check those tags, guys, because sometimes they're not updated. Sometimes you get these deals for pennies or dollars, and you never know what you're gonna find actually. So if you want to have the associate or one of the associates scan them, just to make sure that it's not a really low price. Because if there is, then nobody knows about it, right? Alright, you got the Milwaukee Shockwave 1/2 inch deep well sockets. These are really nice sockets, guys. Really nice sockets. Especially the markings. Big and bright. Alright, you got the vehicle recovery strap there. Probably from the holiday from the last year. Still about a year later. $129 down from $199 for the batteries. You got an SDS 5/8 SDS Plus, $99. You got a supercharger for $99. So yeah, this is a supercharger, Milwaukee. I believe they're coming out with a new one. So orange panel tool. This is help you get those 4x8s, carry those 4x8s and all that stuff. A segmented 2-pack blade for concrete and masonry and all that. Oscillating blade set there for $11, and then you got a radial for $128. Tie down for the tires in case you're towing or doing whatever. 1,000 pound capacity. $15.98 for 2. Power supply Makita, 18 volts, $32 down from $34.97. Get those batteries to good use. $13.47 for the MaxFit 30 piece. It's a pretty nice set. This is by the lumber section because it's by an end cap. If you guys wanna find that, we got new Milwaukee deals, guys. There's a whole bunch of Milwaukee. Actually, most of this video is gonna be Milwaukee. All right, so $129 for the 2-pack of CP 3 amp hours. $299 for the 2-tool combo kit. That is the CP 2 amp hour, or 3 amp hours, my bad. Those are the 3 amp hours. The brushless combo kit there at the bottom. All right, so you got a 18 bolt 16-inch chainsaw, 329. That's it right there. And then over here we got the blower. This is a blower kit. Does come with I believe an 8 amp hour battery. It looks like an 8 amp hour XC high output 8 amp hour battery and charger. Buy one get one free. So you buy any of the ones 249 kits on the left, you get a free 2 amp hour battery. So one of them is the shears and the other one's the trimmer. So this is the pruning shears with the 2 amp hour battery kits, and this is with the 4 amp hour battery. It's trimmer, 8-inch trimmer kit. So very interesting what they did with these tools. I've never seen the pruning shears before, so these are new to me. But yeah, it's pretty nice. M12. There it is. Battery goes on the bottom of the tool, not on the not on the bottom, towards the side, or the bottom, whatever you want to call it. And then you got the edge trimmer. It is a 8-inch edge trimmer, so it's mostly on the smaller side. All right, so you got some gloves, performance gloves, $11.97. One of my favorite gloves to use. Not the most durable, but one of my favorite. Leather performance gloves, $19.97. Some safety glasses. So these are all pretty good deals, except for these glasses. These glasses, I wouldn't care for those glasses. But yeah, the gloves, yeah, definitely check out the gloves. These are really nice gloves. Respirators, I wouldn't touch either. They're not the best. I would go strictly 3M respirators, N95 respirators. I'll stay away from these. But the gloves, they seem to be okay. I haven't used those personally, but the respirators I've used, and they're not good. I can still feel the materials in my throat. You know, the dust and all the chemicals. Whatever you're doing, you can still feel them in your throat. That's just the way it is. $49.97, 450 lumen rechargeable task lights, 550 lumen red light magnetic stick lights. This is a really nice light, by the way. It is like the brown style from Harbor Freight, but yeah, this thing's really nice. Yeah, it is a USB and it is rechargeable. It does come with the cable. 550 lumen with USB stick light. So yeah, really nice. All right, you got a pen style lights with the laser level, or with the laser, not laser level. It is rechargeable. And then you got a head mount light, 2-piece torque lock long nose. So these are really nice, especially with the bottom, you know, adjuster. You got a fast back. You guys know. All right, so this is the 1998 for the 7 1/4 24 tooth circ saw blades. Now these are different. These are the next generation framing and demolition. So these are supposed to be even tougher than the previous Diablos. $24.97. These are actually pretty good blades. Definitely check these out. These are great value blades. It's for the poor man just like me. All right, so 10 pair of nitro gloves. These are pretty nice, especially if you're doing gardening and all kinds of work. You need disposable, semi-disposable, you would say. You can use them a few times. $34.97, $39.97 for the 12-inch. So different types of blades. You got some more framing blades. These are just standard Diablo or Pro Pack, Bolt Pack that they call it. So several different blades in there. $24.97 for the 2-piece comfort grip. So pretty nice. Aviation snips and some precision screwdriver. So definitely check these out. These are really nice screwdrivers. They are labeled in the ends with different colors. And they're all steel construction, even towards the inside of the handle. You got 300 lumen floodlights, 325 lumen, aluminum flashlight, and a 450 lumen spot headlamp. $29.97. So any of those, and then you got a hard hat. It says vented hard hat. I don't see any bigger vents on that one. However, I did see another hard hat that had a little bit more vents. So here are the flashlights. That is a headlamp there. So personally, I would buy nothing that's unless it's rechargeable. That's just the way I think. Otherwise, you're spending so much on batteries unless you buy those rechargeable batteries. High visibility safety vest, $14.97. Dipped polyurethane dipped gloves, $14.88. That's it right there. A2 cut level. Pretty nice. Buy one get one free, guys. This is another buy one get one free. So this is the 5 amp hour starter kit, $199. You get a free light. So you have your choice of any of these lights. This does include a 5 amp hour battery and a standard charger. You can choose from that the rubber flood lights at valued of $149. The search lights valued at $99, and the rubber floodlights. So any of those do qualify for the as a free item for this kit. So it does come with the 5 amp hour battery, a standard charger. It's not a fast charger or anything. And those are that is a floodlights, rubber floodlight 2 only. The search lights, this is kind of like a regular big flashlight style. And then you got the standard rubber light there at the bottom. Alright, so this is the Rocket Light $179. Do not pay this, guys. Make sure you guys wait for a hack for this one. This thing's a beast. It's tank. I've dropped it. It been rained on, paint on, and still working. Alright, so you got the oscillating multi-tool for $99. Oscillating blade set, 5-piece, $29.88. 30-foot compact tape measure, $19.97. Tape measures, I do like them. I do prefer the Fat Max and the Stanley's, to tell the truth. You got the oscillating blades. It does have multi-material, metal, and plastic. Definitely recommend these ink saws for you guys. I personally thought that it was a unnecessary expense, but after using the first ink saw, I'll never go back. You got the fuel hammer drill driver kit, compact impact driver, 3/8, $229. And then you got the 3/8 SAE deep sockets there. So these are really nice sockets. This is a different kit. This is a 3/8 drive from the one we saw at the clearance section. So this is different. It is an 8-piece SAE. Really nice sockets. Definitely check them out. It does come with a nice plastic rail. That is the hammer drill kit. It does come with a hard case. So pretty nice. That's the impact wrench. Alright, so you got a Shockwave 60-piece, $34.97. 6-piece red helix. Cobalt, $17.97. And a titanium drill bit, 7-piece, $16.97. So the ones on the right are compatible with your impact drivers. Alright, guys, these are the new tools. Yes, these are brand new tools. Compact brushless 2-tool combo kit from Milwaukee. It is $239 for the combo. It does come with 2 amp hour batteries. Look, well, actually, I don't know if they're 2s or 3s. But you do get a 2 amp hour battery for free. It says short in length, brushless motor. Red lithium, 2 amp hour batteries. Yeah, there are 2 amp hour batteries. And this is the box. That's what it looks like. I'm planning, let us know in the comment section if you guys wanted to see a versus video, a showdown, whatever you guys want to call it, against other tools, other Milwaukee tools and other brands. Let us know if you guys want to see this on the channel. If you guys want me to run down and pick up a set and put them through our test, you guys know that. You got a drill driver, impact driver. You got 2 amp hour batteries, standard charger, and that's what it looks like. So this is the section. This is one of the newer sections that they have. And then let's go on over to the other side. You got a reciprocating saw kit, $149. 2 amp hour battery, $79, and some saw blades, 13-piece, $25.97. And then here to the right, we got a 5-piece, 9-inch X blades, and then a torch and a wrecker. For all those are $19.97. They are 5 pieces each. All of them do include one of the better blades with them kits. So. Alright, so on to the buy one get one free, guys. These are the brand new buy one get one free, just dropped at the depot. Alright, to start here, we got the stick vacuum. This is one of the newer tools for this category for the buy one get one free. Don't get me wrong, it's not new, but it's one of the newer for the buy one get one free. So that's an example of what you could use it for. You got a transfer pump, a stick pump that they call it. That is in a demonstration how you can use it. You can hook up a hose, whatever. And then, alright, so you got trenches. Actually needed this tool last week, and I did not have it. But it is what it is. Catch meter boxes and pretty much all smaller stuff. Yeah, I needed this tool desperately because I did had a big incident, a big main line near my house. So anyways, all right, back to the video here. We got the die grinder. It's the right angle die grinder, quarter inch 219. These are all the tools that do qualify for the buy one get one free, as you know, just to let you guys know. All right, so that's the rocket light. You got the ratchet. Yeah, the rocket light's pretty nice. It's compact, lightweight. You got the radio and charger, 12 volts. Circular saw. That is the, I believe that's the metal. Or no, it's just a regular 5 3/8 circular saw. This is what it looks like. This is the buy one get one free deals. This is the setup basically for the depot. It's one of the better depots that I have here. So that's an example of what it's gonna look like. $149. That is the lower tier starter kit. You can choose from the impact driver, the crown stapler, the inflator, the die grinder, the blower, and the pack out light. That is the M12 pack out light. I believe it does have a charger built in, so you guys could charge your cell phone, a USB built in. Alright, so this is the upper tier, $249. These are the high output batteries, the 5 amp hour 2.5s. These are all the tools that you guys are able to get for free, including that impact driver, the crown stapler, right angle die grinder, the circular saw, the inflator, radio, the blower, the pack out lights, the die grinder, and definitely that the pump, the transfer pump. I would definitely choose that one. The rocket light will be the next one down, and then the rest of the tools, their batch is pretty good too. So definitely check it out. This is, I believe they switched them over. So this is the lower tier. This is the 4 amp hour and the 2 amp hour battery. You got our standard charger, standard M12 charger, and then you got the high output 5 amp hour battery, high output 2.5 amp hour battery, and the standard charger. So pretty nice. That is the USB with charging at valued at $149. The crown stapler, 3/8 crown stapler, $139. The impact driver, $139, and the rotary tool. It's not a die grinder. It's the rotary tool for $99. Got a 50-piece shockwave for $29.97. Drill drive set. So pretty nice. It's pretty much a complete kit. Does have some drill bits, 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits there at the bottom. Robertsons and some nut drivers and some more 1-inch bits there. There you got the impact driver. So it is the fuel impact driver, the crown stapler, the rotary tool, and then the pack out light there at the bottom with the USB charging. So alright, so you got the performance safety glasses. You got clear or tinted. So I definitely recommend these guys. The only thing with those is that they don't last a long time, but they are really comfortable, and I do like them because they do have the fog free. So, and then you got the hex driver kit there, and then this is the really nice toolbox that I saw. It just catch my attention. I really like the matte finish on the black paint. It is with this crank you can raise and lower the top part of it. So that one's $9.98. Definitely check it out, guys. That's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can make more videos like this. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.